How to trade on MEXC global mobile app for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on MEXC global mobile app for beginners. Now this is just a basic guide, so I'll just be showing you where and how you can do so. So you can simply open up MEXC. In order to sign up, you can simply use your Google account or Telegram account to easily log in or sign up and create wallet. Once you have done so, in order to verify your account, you can tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then at the right hand side you can see unverified there in red. You can tap on it and you can go ahead to the verification process. Now once you have gone through verification process, all you have to do is at the home page you can simply tap on more option at the screen there, and under it here, under command function, you should be able to see the option that says buy crypto. You can see right here, you can tap on buy crypto. Now in my case, I'm not verified, so it should not show up, but it should give you an option to select whether you want to do it with bank transfer or your debit credit card. Now it's not showing up here because I'm not verified, but you'll be able to find it there once you're verified. So make sure to get verified. You won't be able to perform any trade without verifying your ID or wallet. Now the spot trading, for spot trading at the home page, you can simply tap on trade option at the middle bottom of the screen. You can see trade option, and there you'll be on the spot trading. You can see spot futures and P2P. Now you can select the particular currency that you wish to swap for, that you wish to perform the trading for, by tapping on the drop down at the top left. You can see MEXC there in my case, so you can tap on it and you can go ahead and change it. So you can see BTC here, so you can swap BTC USDT and such. So once you have selected it, you can choose to buy or sell. You can set the limit here. You can see limit, market, stop, and OCO. You can select the quantity here, price, quantity, and such, and you can go ahead and you'll be able to see the total here, and tap on buy and you're good to go, or tap on sell and you're good to go. So this is how you can trade. Now if you have confusion on this, if you're not sure about the interface of the application, then you can simply tap on the more option right there on the screen at home page, and this time scroll down to trade, and here you should be able to see the option that says demo trading. You can practice it on demo trading and later on do live trading. So this is how you can trade on MEXC global mobile app for beginners. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.